Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to fix hardware access error when making video call from Google Chrome. So to resolve this issue, click on Start, then click on Settings. Now here click Privacy and Security. Scroll down, click on Camera. Now make sure this option is on Camera Access. Anyone using this device can choose if their apps have camera access when this icon, so make it on. And also guys, let apps access your camera, so any particular app you are using, make it on. And also let desktop apps access your camera like Google Chrome, so make it on. So these three options make on can be this will be reason to not able to video call from your Chrome browser. So it's a simple and easy way guys, you can fix and resolve on this issue. Thanks for watching. Please comment this video useful for you or not.